Welcome. My name is May. My channel is Applied Virtual Solutions. Thank you for joining me today to hear of another great job opportunity. This job, there is no experience necessary. So sit back, relax, and we can go through this together. Rent out any storage space, no matter what size, with Neighbor. You can become a neighbor host. You can list only a portion of your space or an entire room on Neighbor. Whatever space you have, Neighbor can help you rent it out. These are the type of spaces you can rent on Neighbor: garage, driveway, parking lot, basement, a bedroom, shed, warehouse, carport, self storage unit, closet, attic, street parking, shipping container, unpaved lot, and much more. This is how Neighbor works. You list your spaces. You tell them about your spaces and how much you would like to earn. Respond to renters. Review renter requests, including what they want to store and when, and approve them. Schedule a move-in. Schedule a move-in time with your new renter, and that's how it works. Neighbor has thought of everything. You're in control. You choose when and how renters use your space. No need to give them a key or code unless you want to. Neighbor has your back. Neighbor have $1 million in free coverage for you and your property protection plans available for your renters. Their responsive support team can help if you need it. There's no paperwork, no hassle. Neighbor's terms of service have you covered. No additional contracts required. There's a guaranteed money in your pocket. Neighbor will handle the payments and automatically deposit them into your account each month. And then they will even cover the cost if your renter doesn't pay. So this is as simple as sweeping. All you need to do is clear a space. No need to run a bed and breakfast out of your house. Helping neighbors in need. Neighbors, renters need storage for everything from building a new home to escaping natural disasters. And you can help with that too. And here are some videos you can listen to. They're less than a minute long, and you can listen to see why they love Neighbor. So why not become a neighbor host? It's the easiest way to make money from home by storing vehicles and belongings. And all you need to do is list your space. It's free to list your space. So you will click here and you will create a new listing. And then it states that when you're listing your space, it doesn't take long, and Neighbor is here to help you every step. So then you go to the application. So they say, tell us about your space. Can your space store a vehicle? Yes or no? We'll say yes. So which best describes your space? Is it an indoor garage, a warehouse, etc.? Outdoor covered pavilion, underground parking, etc.? Outdoor uncovered driveway parking, etc. So we'll say an indoor. So it's a parking garage, a warehouse, a self-storage unit, shipping container, a shed, or other. I would say a parking garage. Which of these features does your parking garage have? Is it climate control, smoke-free, smoke detectors? Is it private entrance? Is it a private space not shared with others? Locked area protected by a key or access code? Pet free? Security camera monitored? Or no stairs? Then you click which those things that apply to you and go to next. Then you pick an address. And once you put in your address, it'll bring you to this screen where if you're at an apartment or a suite, it's optional. You could put that in here. Your city, your state, your zip code, kind of property is this? Is it a residential home, personal property, or is it a commercial or business property? We're going to say residential. And here you would read this: I have permission to rent out this space and understand that if not, I may be held financially and legally responsible for any damage, loss, or fees incurred. So you click here. So next you will, if your location, if it's not in the right place, then you just drag it a little bit. And then, or you can reset it if it's wrong. And then you go to next. Next, describe your space. So how long? Tape measure for accuracy. This will help renters know if their item will fit. So what you do, or you can measure yourself and make sure that your garage fits one of these categories. And 15 by 10, let's pick that one. 15 by 10. It says a 15 by 10 may not be large enough to fit a vehicle. That's why it's good to measure. So we're going to take a 20 by 20. And that went through. Help renters understand when you're available. Should approved renters contact you before visit? Because will renters be able to access their item? Turn on smart pricing. So smart pricing, I want a fixed monthly rate. You could do smart pricing, means automatically adjust your price over time to maximize your earnings. Okay, you could do that. Or I want a fixed monthly price. That means that we won't adjust your price. So let's tick this one. Starting monthly price is $188. Minimum is $94. We're going to take the $188. All right, let's go next. Would you like to offer a 50% discount for the first month? Why not? Take photos of your space. So you will add 4+ photos. Get rented twice as often. That it helps you to get rented twice as often. So you will remove objects from the space, ensure the space has good light, landscape wide photos are best, show what it's like to move in, gates, tight corners, doors, stairs, etc. Take photos of the inside of the space. So this is where you will add your photos, and then you'll hit next, and then you are able to submit to neighbors, and neighbor will contact you once the application has been processed and they're satisfied with what you have provided them with. So this seems to be a very easy process. And I want to thank you for hanging in there today to listen to this great deal with Neighbor becoming a host. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and click that bell so you'll be notified of more job opportunities.